Do you want to speak English confidently? Yes, I want to speak English confidently. Yes, then learn these 10 sentences. Nowadays, everyone use these sentences in their daily communication. Yes, let's start. Hello everyone, my name is Kumudini and you are watching my English channel Learner to Learner, where I upload English contents videos that is very helpful to beginners and also intermediate level students and learners. Yes, and nowadays you are showing so much love to my channel and me, that's why I'm very happy and excited. So thanks a lot for your lovely comment, and thanks a lot to join my community. Yes, so without late we will start this session. So today is also a slow English podcast. So in this video I'm going to share 10 very simple sentences for the beginners who are very beginner. They don't know how to frame different type of sentences. So in this video I am going to share, after the sentence I will explain, I will give the meaning also in Hindi, but there is no need to you to translate English to Hindi or Hindi to English, because whenever you translate English to Hindi, so there is taking too much time. Yes, so in this video I will share after my sentence in Hindi also, because my learners who are beginner stage, if they are not understand, for them I will explain also in Hindi, okay, the meaning, and after that we will repeat these sentences again. Okay, so my first sentence is, may I come in? क्या मैं अंदर आ सकती हूँ? क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ? Yes, this is very simple sentences. Now everyone, mostly students are used. Yes, now second one, can you repeat please? क्या आप इस शब्द को फिर से बोल सकते हैं? कृपया आप इसको फिर से बोल सकते हैं? यस. थर्ड वन, आई डिड नॉट अंडरस्टैंड. मैं नहीं समझ पाई. यस, मुझे समझ में नहीं आया. थर्ड वन, प्लीज़ स्पीक स्लोली. यस, कृपया स्लोली बोलेंगे, कृपया धीरे से बोलेंगे. नाउ आवर फिफ्थ सेंटेंस इज, आई विल ट्राई माई बेस्ट. यस, आई विल ट्राई माई बेस्ट. मैं अपनी पूरा 100% दूंगी, मैं पूरा कोशिश करूँगी. नेक्स्ट वन इज, व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस वर्ड? इस शब्द की अर्थ क्या है? इस शब्द की अर्थ क्या है? व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस वर्ड? नेक्स्ट, आई हैव कंप्लीटेड माई वर्क. मैंने अपना काम ख़त्म कर दिया है. मैंने अपना काम फिनिश कर दिया है. यस, सो दैट टाइम यू कैन से आई हैव कंप्लीटेड माई वर्क. प्लीज़ गिव मी अ सम टाइम. मुझे कुछ समय दो. प्लीज़ गिव मी अ सम टाइम मीन्स मुझे कुछ समय दो. नेक्स्ट, कैन आई आस्क अ क्वेश्चन? कैन आई आस्क अ क्वेश्चन? क्या मैं एक प्रश्न पूछ सकती हूँ? क्या मैं आपको एक सवाल कर सकती हूँ? या क्या मैं आपको एक सवाल कर सकता हूँ? लास्ट, आई एम रेडी. आई एम रेडी, मैं तैयार हूँ. यस, आई एम रेडी टू गो टू द मार्केट. मैं तैयार हूँ मार्केट जाने के लिए. यस, दीज आर मोस्टली कॉमन and everyone use in their daily communication and daily conversation. Yes, so these are very so simple sentences. Mostly it is used for the beginner who are very beginner level, in a earlier stage of beginner level. For them this video is mostly used. Okay, let's start and repeat after me also. Yes, now I am going to tell in a very slow way, so after that and give pause, then you can repeat the sentence after me. Yes, in this way you can learn these 10 sentences very easily. Yes, I know everyone understand what is the meaning of these sentences. Now there is no need to you translate English to Hindi or Hindi to English. Yes, you can direct say in English only. Okay, now first sentence is, may I come in? Second, can you repeat please? Can you repeat please? Third, I did not understand. Third one is, I did not understand. I did not understand. Fourth one, please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. Fifth one, I will try my best. I will try my best. Sixth one is, What is the meaning of this word? What is the meaning of this word? I have completed my work. I have completed my work. Please give me some time. Please give me some time. Can I ask a question? Can I ask a question? Yes, last but not least, I am ready. I am ready to go to the market. I am ready. Yes. Now this one is the last sentence. So friends, please practice all 10 sentences every day. You can add different type of sentences on daily basis. In this way you can improve your level. If you are earlier in beginner level, then after 10 days 20 days, if you are learning this type of sentences, yeah, within 1 month you can go to the intermediate level. Yes, now very soon I will come with a different type of basic grammar. Yes, so in this video I share already 10 sentences. I hope everyone understand, and if you like this video, please like, share and comment, and you can also share with your experience and how is this channel for you. You can get benefit from this channel or not. Yes, you can follow me in Instagram also. Now that is my name Kumudini Pradhan, and you can also in my what is the WhatsApp channel, that is a Kumudini Pradhan. Yes, on there I will upload different type of idioms, word of the day, so you can also follow me there also. Okay, so we will soon meet you in another video with new tips and tricks. I hope you love this video. Bye, take care, lots of love.